Well, get ready to hear the sound of caring ringing through the Wabash Valley. The Salvation Army in Terre Haute is getting ready for its annual bell ringing campaign. Starting November 16th, volunteers will be out ringing bells and collecting your donations. They continue through December 24th. Your money will help several of its programs. They include Toys for Tots and Shop with a Cop. Organizers say this is a time-honored tradition, and they look forward to helping during the holiday season.
We just love being able to support the community here, and whatever we can do, we just want to embrace it as much as we possibly can.
Organizers say they're in serious need of volunteers to be bell ringers this year. If you would like to sign up, go directly to our website, WTHI-TV.com.